Hey beautiful audience, hi, my name is Krishna Puranik, MD of Dreams Design. Today I came up with the topic how you can get 10x clients from social media. Many of my friends, my clients, my colleagues ask me that Krishna, is it really possible that we can get international clients from social media? We can sell our products and services on social media. We can get real clients from social media. Yes, it is possible. See, social media is the most powerful tool right now in this industry. If you talk about facts and figures, then a normal person invests about 40 hours in a week on social media. There are out of 100%, 90% is users who are just surfing social media, and 10% are creators who create things on social media. Most of the IT companies, e-commerce companies, they get their major clients from social media. If you take facts and figures of last 5 years, major e-commerce companies have done their turnover or get their maximum clients from social media. All the top leaders, influencers, great speakers, motivational speakers, they get their maximum viewers from social media. All major top companies in India or international companies, they now focusing on social media to get targeted clients. So today I'm here with the most powerful topic, that how you can generate 10x clients from social media 24 by 7 round the year. It's an automated process. If you follow my tips, my comments, my advice, then you will definitely find 10 to 100x clients on social media. The techniques I'm going to teach you, it's completely organic, free, and if you invest proper time, you will definitely see the results. To understand the system, we first of all need to understand the funnel management system, that how client comes, how you can attract your clients, how the client gets converted into leads, and how from leads, how you can convert that particular potential lead into business. So basically what we are focusing is on calls, inquiries. So first of all, you need to understand that any of your client on social media, they are not interested in your product or service. They are more interested in the offer you are giving. Now talk about offer. What is an offer? An offer is a value which you are giving to your client. Something which your client cannot resist. It sees is the offer is something which attracts your client. Getting me? An offer is kind of a lead magnet which gives a clear cut idea about your product, your concept, that what exactly you are selling and what benefit your client is going to get from it. Your offer should attract your client. It should be attention grabbing. It can be an artwork, it can be a book, it can be a video, something which grabs attention of your client. For example, if you are into clothing business, then you should have a offer or a cheat book or a guide saying that top 10 different techniques how your clothes never gets old. If you are into loan business, then you should show a cheat book that 5 different ways you can get loans free of cost. So if you are into parlor business or a saloon business, you should have a short video or offer or a cheat book saying that 20 techniques you should never have a hair loss. So understand, you need to give something high value to your customers. Then only the customer will get attracted to your offer and they'll click on it. The main intention is to target their pain areas. You have to identify the pain areas, pain problem of your prospect, and you have to give them a proper level solution. So you have understand that what the lead magnets are. Now you have to identify the platforms where you will market these lead magnets, the platforms where you are going to get the prospects. Okay, so it can be WhatsApp, it can be Reels, it can be stories, it can be Facebook, it can be Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever social media platforms are available. You can market these lead magnets on the social media platform. So from there your prospect will see these lead magnets and they will connect to it. Most of the time we use social media just for watching content, watching video. Now it is the time to promote your cheat book, your lead magnets to all these social media, so that you can get good response from it. To remember one thing, don't sell, don't do a hard pitch, just do edu marketing. You just need to educate your customer that if you do this, you are going to get good results. ओके आपने अभी जो लीड मैग्नेट्स है उनको मार्केट तो कर दिया, लेकिन अब इसका कैपिटलाइजेशन आप कैसे लेंगे? सो आपको कैपिटलाइजेशन ऐसे करना है कि दिस आर 5 डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स जो आपको पसंद आई. इफ यू वांट टू गेट 25 free of cost techniques, you please click on the link given below, and that link will take you, the customer, the prospect, to your website. There should be a very premium performing landing page, a website page from where your customer will get converted. Remember, it should be a premium website where everything is properly placed अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड ऑफ द कस्टमर. आपको पता होना चाहिए आपको कस्टमर को कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है. देयर शुड बी प्रॉपर कॉपी, प्रॉपर लेवल का कंटेंट, फीडबैक फॉर्म, डाउनलोड लिंक, आपके यूएसपीज, आपके सोल्यूशन एरियाज, हर एक चीज एकदम प्रॉपरली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर के अंदर आपकी वेबसाइट लैंडिंग पेज में होने चाहिए. अ ग्रेट वेबसाइट लैंडिंग पेज हेल्प्स योर ट्रैफिक गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू इंक्वायरीज. एंड जैसे आपको इंक्वायरी आएगी, आपके फीडबैक फॉर्म भर जाएंगे, वैसे आपको बैकएंड के अंदर क्लाइंट का पूरा डेटा मिल जाएगा. आपको क्या करना है, यू मस्ट हैव सीन, अगर आपने गूगल पे कुछ सर्च किया कि भाई ट्रैवल टिकट्स या होटल्स और समथिंग, तो आफ्टर दैट इफ यू सी, देन ऑल द प्लेटफॉर्म, जैसे कि आपका फेसबुक है, आपका जीमेल है, सब जगह पे आपको वही उसी के एड्स दिखने शुरू हो जाएंगे. इसको कहते हैं रीमार्केटिंग. सो वंस यू गेट द डेटा from the inquiries, you have to remarket them with social media. तो इस पूरे प्रोसेस के अंदर the most important thing is the website, the landing page, जहाँ पर आपका कस्टमर लैंड होने वाला है. आपकी वेबसाइट का जो कन्वर्जन रेशियो है वो हाई होना चाहिए. सो कन्वर्जन रेट इज समथिंग लाइक दैट कि 100 लोग आपकी वेबसाइट पे आ रहे हैं, आउट ऑफ देम कितने लोग फीडबैक फॉर्म भर के आपको उनके कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल्स दे रहे हैं. दैट इज द कन्वर्जन रेशियो ऑफ एनी वेबसाइट. So the websites which we develop have 97% conversion ratio, and that's it from my side. So it was my duty to guide you. The time is very tough out there, and as an Indian, as an entrepreneur, I would like to help you guys as much as possible. So comment me in comment section that on what sort of different videos would you like to see, what sort of problems you are having. I'm a digital consultant, I'm a technology consultant. I can give you solutions of anything regard to technology business development. So whatever problems you are facing with your marketing team or your digital marketing or your agency, just just message me, ping me, and I will give you the free of cost solution. Thank you.